Good morning, I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to make a pecan cobbler. We're going to do 6 tablespoons of butter in the bottom of this 9 by 13 casserole. And I'm just going to kind of cover the bottom of this. We're going to take 1 cup of chopped pecans. You know, I always keep a lot of pecans in the freezer so I can use them year-round because we make a lot of recipes with our pecans, the local pecans. We're proud of our pecan trees. You know, I've laughed and said a lot of times I go off on a trip, palm trees and all of that, and I'm so glad to get back to Arkansas and see the pecan trees. Oh, I love Arkansas. We're going to mix 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, 2/3 cup of milk. This is whole milk too. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is not really like a pecan pie. It's similar, but it doesn't have the Karo syrup at all pecan pies have. You know, sometimes you like to do things a little different. We're going to pour this over, and we don't want to mix it. We're just going to pour it over it. This is a very simple recipe. If you have company coming and you need a dessert, it couldn't be a more simple recipe than this one. We don't want to mix this. All we're going to do is just try to cover it. The next thing we do, we sprinkle the brown sugar over this. We still don't mix it now. 1 1/2 cups of brown sugar. And I use a light brown sugar. Okay, we're going to try to get that distributed over evenly as we can. Now that we have our brown sugar, the next thing we do, you may think this is real odd. This is hot water. And you pour 1 1/2 cups of hot water over this. You don't mix it. You just pour it over the top. We're going to put this in the 350-degree oven, and we're going to cook it about 30 or 35 minutes. See how easy that was? Now our pecan cobbler is cooked, and I told you, you know, you shake it a little bit, you'll see a little shaking in the middle, but that's okay. It's browned perfect. We finished our pecan cobbler. I think we're going to taste of this and see how we like it. My son helps me with the videos. In fact, he does everything but the cooking. And he's one of my tasters. So we're going to taste of this. I hope it turned out good. You know, when you're cooking like that, you always hope you have the best. And that's really good.
Really good.
Mm. You need to allow this to cool before you serve it, just like you would a pecan pie. We have finished our pecan cobbler now, and we taste of it. It's very good, and I hope you try it. It's not really like a pecan pie. It's similar to it, but doesn't have the Karo in it, and I think that makes a little change in it. But I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoy it much as we do. And I hope you watch us on another video. Thank you for watching.